So just wanted to give you a view of how I position the product sense course. And it's very obvious since we're talking about like a cohort based course platform that on this axis of, okay, is my course going to be passive or interactive? I was always going to go for interactive. But when I was like trying to create the landing page for the product sense course and like think about marketing for the product sense course, and then think about like the details of how I'm going to teach it, I was struggling for the other positioning axes. And it took me a couple of weeks to realize that actually, while most courses in this domain, in product and product sense, are process oriented, story oriented, framework oriented, i.e., they teach you a process, which is do this. They give you some reps and they make you go through those reps, or they tell you stories like, okay, look at this company, this is what they did, etc. Or here's a set of frameworks, right? So while most courses are in this category and most training in this category is in this direction, what I want this course to be is skill oriented. I want people to actually build the skill of product sense during the course itself. Okay, so that then informed a lot of things, including the manner in which I structured the day, the prompts I gave them throughout the day during the course, as well as how I framed it on the course landing page. So on the course page, the manner in which I frame it is this is about skill, and we are going to learn the skill, and we are not going to go through lots of processes and playbooks and tactics and frameworks. All of those are very legitimate ways of teaching. There is, again, you have to understand when I say these things, I'm not criticizing or I'm not saying those are not legitimate ways to teach. But what I'm saying is about having clarity on how you are going to teach it.
I'll double down on what you said. I mean, so just so everyone understands, what he's talking about is simulating what the student experience is going to be like, and then at each moment trying to design the course experience for that. So, for example, for teaching product sense, one might say that the most important thing of teaching product sense, of learning the skill of product sense, is learning how to dissect other products, let's say, as an example. And so he's going to make sure that as part of the course, you're not just dissecting products in front of people, but rather you're encouraging them to dissect the product. Because that's the difference between building a skill or giving you a framework. This is how you dissect products. These are the three ways you do it.